Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Well, today's video is going to be a little bit different. As the title suggests, we are doing activities for babies, for kids, different age group. It is called sensor play, and I'm going to share with you guys just a few different ways that you can stimulate your child's brain, right? Before we get into the activities, let's talk about what actually is sensory play. What are sensory activities? Okay, so what is sensory play? Sensory play is simple. Any activity that stimulates the use and development of your child's senses: touch, smell, sight, hearing, taste. So the benefits of sensory play includes strengthened creation, explore, and develop the fine motor skills. Sensory play sparks imagination, allowing a child to investigate the boundaries of the senses. The exposure to various textures has a positive impact on a child's sensitivity to food and develops a sense of comfort with new stimuli. That is the benefit of sensory play. So let's dive into a few that I created these for TJ, and I figured why not share it with you guys so that you can do the same thing for your baby, because it's just fun. Very colorful, very vibrant, very fun, and I know they're gonna love it. So guys, one thing that I forgot to mention to you is that everything that I'm showing you here are taste safe. Okay? And that simply means that your baby is allowed to put it in their mouth and you don't worry about it or freak out as stuff that you'd buy and it has chemicals, all sort of chemicals that you don't even know in it. So that's the best thing about making it yourself, creating it yourself. You know what you're putting in it, you're confident with what you're putting in it, so you know your baby's safe. have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you recreate these activities for your kids, for your babies. And sensory play does not stop at 8 months old or 1 year old. It goes all the way up to toddler, to like 2-3 year old. So if you need me to do more ideas for like older kids, just let me know in the comments down below, okay? And I'll hook you up. I got your back, okay? So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video.